Hey everyone, so I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the weekly doc that you'll want to check definitely on Mondays, but honestly, you're going to want to check it every day, Monday through Friday. So if you go into classwork, it's going to be posted right at the top where it says Distant Learning Weekly Agenda Doc. And right now, okay, so it's going to be posted here, but right now it's just in draft form. So let me just go into my Google Drive and show you what it looks like. And you can see my internet is a little bit slower. So I'm working on getting that fixed prior to when we start on Monday. Okay, so it's going to look a little something like this. And at the top, there will always be posted what week we're in. So it's only going to be posted weekly. You can see we have the learning targets right here. And it's broken down Monday through Friday. Notice this week we don't have any school. So the two areas I want to draw your attention to are the daily instruction. Right in the daily instruction should be a 5 to 7 minute instruction video of what I'm teaching for that day. And then in the daily activity, that's what you're going to need. You're going to need to complete that day. Sometimes the link will be posted right in there, or it'll be assigned to you on Classroom, but your daily activity is what you need to complete that day. If you don't complete it after two consecutive days, I will be reaching out to you and your parents, because if you're not completing activities, what that tells us as teachers is you're not signing on and therefore you are absent. So you're not really in class. So it is crucial that you complete those daily activities. Usually they'll just be one a day. I'm really aiming for only a 7-minute video of instruction and 15 minutes of an activity you need to complete. So that's the weekly agenda and kind of what it looks like.